If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to boost your health and wellness, consider adding a turmeric and ginger shot mixed with lemon juice to your daily routine. This powerful combination, consisting of just 3 simple and natural ingredients, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potential benefits, and recent scientific studies have started to uncover some of the ways it may support our well-being. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the potential health benefits of this simple but potent shot, delving deeper into the specifics of how ginger and turmeric work together and what the research says. So let's dive in. Number 1, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation is believed to be a contributing factor in the development of a range of diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Turmeric contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body. Curcumin works by blocking the activation of inflammatory molecules in the body, thereby reducing inflammation. Ginger also contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, including gingerols and shogols. Studies have suggested that combining turmeric and ginger may enhance their anti-inflammatory properties, making this combination a potent natural remedy for reducing inflammation in the body. Number 2, it improves digestive health. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues, including nausea, bloating, and indigestion. The compounds in ginger help stimulate the digestive system, increase the production of digestive juices, and reduce inflammation in the gut. Turmeric can also aid in digestion by increasing the production of bile in the liver. Bile helps to break down fats in the diet and aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. In addition, turmeric has been shown to have antispasmodic properties, which can help alleviate digestive issues such as cramping and abdominal pain. By combining ginger and turmeric, you may be able to provide your digestive system with even greater support. Number 3, it gives your immune system a boost. The immune system is responsible for protecting the body against harmful pathogens, such as viruses and bacteria. Antioxidants are compounds that can help boost the immune system and protect against oxidative damage. Oxidative damage is caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Turmeric and ginger are both rich in antioxidants, making them powerful immune system boosters. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to have potent antioxidant properties. Number 4, it's a pain reliever. Both turmeric and ginger contain compounds that have been shown to have pain-relieving properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce pain and swelling. In one study, people with osteoarthritis who took a curcumin supplement experienced a significant reduction in pain and stiffness. Ginger contains compounds that can help reduce pain and inflammation and may be particularly effective for reducing muscle pain and soreness. One study found that taking a ginger supplement reduced muscle pain by 25% in people who performed exercises that caused muscle soreness. Number 5, it's a natural mood enhancer. Turmeric has been found to have antidepressant properties in some studies. One study found that taking a curcumin supplement was as effective as Prozac in treating depression in people with major depressive disorder. Curcumin may work by increasing levels of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, including serotonin and dopamine. Ginger has also been shown to improve mood and reduce anxiety. One study found that taking a ginger supplement reduced anxiety levels by 23% in a group of people with a history of anxiety disorders. Number 6, it can improve heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and reducing your risk of developing heart disease is essential for maintaining good health. Both turmeric and ginger may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Inflammation is a key contributor to the development of heart disease, and reducing inflammation in the body can help protect against heart disease. Turmeric has been shown to have heart protective properties, one of which includes improving cholesterol levels. One study found that taking a ginger supplement reduced blood pressure by 10 points in people with high blood pressure. Another study found that ginger reduced levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 7, it can help protect brain health. Turmeric has been shown to have neuroprotective properties, meaning that it can help protect against damage to the brain and nervous system. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that is essential for the growth and maintenance of brain cells. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to a range of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and depression. Ginger also has neuroprotective effects and may help improve brain function. One study found that taking a ginger supplement improved reaction time and working memory in healthy middle-aged women. And finally, number 8, it has anti-cancer properties. Several studies have suggested that turmeric and ginger may have anti-cancer properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells in a range of studies. It may work by blocking the signals that cancer cells use to grow and divide. Ginger also contains compounds that have anti-cancer properties, including gingerols and shogols. One study found that ginger extract reduced the growth of prostate cancer cells by up to 56%. While more research is needed in this area, turmeric and ginger may be a useful addition to a cancer-fighting diet. All you need is a lemon, ginger, and turmeric to make this simple and effective drink to support your health and wellness. By combining the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and turmeric with the cleansing and alkalizing benefits of lemon, this shot may help to improve digestion, boost the immune system, reduce pain and inflammation, and promote overall well-being. So why not give it a try and see how it can support your health and vitality? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one.